doctor. My name is YIMEI. This is my paper's presentation. My topic is predictive analysis of the implication of transit visa-free policy on inbound tourism economic in China. The 72-hour visa-free transit policy as an example. My lecturer is Dr. Taju. This is my paper's contents. I have divided paper into 6 parts. Abstractor. This paper analyzes the role of the transit visa-free policy in the trade of inbound tourism service. We use the gravity model to analyze the panel data from 2002 to 2017 for 18 cities in 30 major inbound source countries. The results all strongly support the expectation that the transit visa-free policy can stimulate the development of inbound tourism. And we made the 4 recommendations and 4 conclusions. The paper's keywords is that 72-hour visa-free transit policy, inbound tourism service trade, and gravity model. Part 1, Introduction, Problem. In these figures, we can show that balance of the trade in goods is increased, and the current account balance is increased, but the balance of the trade in service is decreased from 1995 to now. So the unfavorable balance of the tourism service trade disadvantage of the trade in advance urgently needed to enhance the development of China's trade in service. So this paper explores why the visa-free policy can significantly stimulate the growth of inbound tourism. Objective. In this figure, we can show the racing part. So we can guess that the visa-free policy can increase the tourism economic. So this paper's objective is explores the impact of the transit visa-free policy on inbound tourism and its mechanism of action. And then data set. It's my data set's details. We have the 3,744 rows, and the data set from different platforms, and the data set is official date. So we ensure the data set is authority, publicity, and updating. Part 2, Literature Review. I have reviewed 39 papers, and there are 82% from this group. So I can divide those papers into 2 levels. The first part is research on international trade in tourism service, and the second, the impact of visa policy on outbound tourism. Above all, there is a literature analysis the promotional effect of the transit visa-free policy on inbound tourism development at the city level in China. Number 3, research design. I used the gravity model to analyze this paper. So in the literature, we can know gravity model is one of the fundamental model in the study of the international trade and study the actual attraction between 2 objects. I have the model 1 and model 2. Model 2 is different. Model 1 at interaction term, employment plus visa. And I have the 7 variables. Visa is core variable, and another 5 is control variable. The visitor is the applying variable. This finger is my analyze process. I can use the Python render to data collect and data cleaning, and use the data 18 to regression analysis. Finally, after F-test, LM statistic test, and Hausman test, the result is that I must use the fixed effects module. Number 4, empirical analysis. This finger is my result. We can see that visa, LGDP, FGDP, heritage, and employment is positive correlation with the dependent variables, but the distance is negative correlation with the dependent variables. But in the model 2, we can see that the interaction term is negative correlation, indicating that the number of the employees in the third industry does not contribute to the positive effect of the 72 hours visa-free transit policy on inbound tourism. Number 4, conclusion and a recommendation. After empirical analysis, we can derive the correlation with different each variables. Discuss them in context to make 4 recommendation. Number 1, expand the optimism to the outside world, strength exchanges and operation, and continue to promote the visa-free policy. Number 2, improve the international transportation and other supporting infrastructure. Number 3, cultivate international tourism professional. Number 4, improve tourism development and publicity of attractions. Finally, shortcoming. There are 2 shortcomings in my paper. The first one is inbound overnight tourism may also be involved another visa-free policy sample. So the role of the regional overlap and other issue, the effect is not significant enough. Second, the sample city in this paper only involved 18 tourism cities, include the main 13 source countries of China inbound tourism. So the representativeness of the sample data still has some defects. If I have the opportunity to continue this topic, I need a doctor or professor give me some guidance or advice to refine this paper. Finally, thank you for doctors watching, and I would be grateful for any call reactions. Importantly, very thank you for my lecturer, Dr. Taju. He gave us many opportunities to discuss, and very patient to give us guidance, advice in recent few months. Thank you.